Alright, got a box here. It's the 27th of the 12th, 2017. It's from America. I've cut it open, but I haven't opened it up yet. Okay. Alright. I think it's like 12 cars or something in here. Okay, good box for 12. Okay, there's a couple of things in here. These ones here I got from a mate of mine, but he's already got them as far as I've figured out now. But anyway, I'll give them to my son. He'll like them. So I won't worry about opening up them, because I think knowing you or something, these ones, which I don't keep up to date with these, but yeah, either way, not a problem. Stick those down there. Okay. What I paid for them, it doesn't really matter anyway. Alright, here we have Johnny Lightning Street Freaks Black with Flames. So new for 2017, one of 1256. It's a 69 Dodge Dart. I'll crack them open soon. Where to put it? Somewhere here. We have an M2. 69 Plymouth Roadrunner 383. Okay. So limited, what's that one? Limited production worldwide to 5,000 pieces. Which, not necessarily limited. Alright, and then I'll come here. Then a Jada Big Time Muscle. The 63 Corvette Stingray funny car. Pretty cool. And a Hot Wheels, 100% Hot Wheels performance parts. This is a Corvette. That'd be like a 58. Yep, 58 Corvette it is up there. Number 3 of 4. When was that one released? That was a 2002 copyright date on that one. Cool. I like the Corvettes. What else we got? Another M2. Actually, now I'm looking at that, I think I've actually got this one. So that's a problem with having everything packed away. You forget what you have. I'm pretty sure I've got it. Anyway, I've got it again. If I have. Otherwise, it's a new one and I'm happy. But I won't know yet. Alright. As I said, for what you pay for them, it's not too much of a drama. Okay, Johnny Lightning Street Freaks spoilers. This was new for 2017 as well. One of 1256. That was a 71 Pontiac GTO. Okay. And here we go, we've got Johnny Lightning. This was from Playing Manus. It's a clue. It's the 57 Lincoln Premier. So it looks all good from the side. Unfortunately it's got the Mr. Green thing on the roof, but from the side she's pretty cool. And that was a Where's the copyright? 2004. Sorry for the shit video work, but God. Okay, this is also a new one. Johnny Lightning Street Freaks, Black with Flames, the 2004 Nissan 350Z, which I thought looked pretty cool. And we have a Hot Wheels Cop Rods Ultimate Police Cruisers 3-window 34 Ford. So I like that one. And that was a 1999 copyright date on that one. And then just the 55 Ford F100 delivery truck, which I think that was a new one out too at the moment, 2016 copyright date, but I haven't as yet found it, so that's why I got it here. And last one, lead sleds, 100% Hot Wheels. Awesome stuff, this. So we will get this out. Okay, that's all there is. Alright, let's free some of these cars. Let's start off with this Matchbox here. I love these things. There's another one to the collection. I've got a few of them now. So that's the 1955 Ford F100 delivery truck. That was a 2016 copyright date on that, and 17 of 125. Alright, next we'll crack open this Johnny Lightning Playing Mantis. Clue. Okay, that was Johnny Lightning from Playing Mantis. It was Clue, the 1957 Lincoln Premier. That was a 2004 copyright date on that one. Okay, next I'll do a Hot Wheels. This is one that I like. Oh, went up to do it open. Okay, that is the 58 Corvette, and I think I'm pretty sure that bonnet opens on that one. That's cool, I like the colour. '58. Interior could be a bit better, but I guess I put enough detail under the rest of it, and that's all you would have got for what you paid for it. So that was from the 100% Hot Wheels 58 Corvette GM Performance Parts Series. That had a 2002 copyright date on that one. So yeah, good looking Corvette. We'll go with the rest of them well. Okay, next up we'll do a newer Johnny Lightning, Street Freaks, spoilers. 71 Pontiac GTO. So yeah, 1971 Pontiac GTO. It's got number 3 on the card. So there were 6 of these to collect. Zingers, spoilers, black with flames, projects in progress. This was Street Freaks 2017 release 2. Going back to do another old one here. It's from Hot Wheels. This was the Cop Rods Ultimate Police Cruisers. Here we go, another hot rod to the collection. That was a 3-window 34 Ford. It's from the Jefferson City Police Department. That was 1999 copyright date on that one. There was a few in that series to collect, there was. Red headlights on it. Yeah, it looks cool. Okay, I'll do another Johnny Lightning. This is the newer ones as well. This is black with frames. Flames. Yeah, it was a bit hard for me to get any of the newer Johnnies when they come out, just especially from the store anyway, because you know, I was so far from anyone that did sell them. So yeah, this is about the best way, and everyone that did have them for sale on eBay here in Australia just wanted too much. So I guess this is how I do it. Alright, so it's a 2004 Nissan 350Z. So that looks pretty good there, I like that. Okay, next up we'll do another new one. Johnny Lightning Street Freak. Oh god. Street Freaks. Black with flames. Slow it down, then say it. Alright, 2017 series, release 2. Let's get this out. There we go, that was the 69 Dodge Dart. That was number 5. Come with the cards like I used to. Alrighty, I'll cut one open here. M2. There you go. 69 Plymouth Road Runner. 383. Originally purchased from Hobby Lobby for $6.99. That's 2013. Copyright date on that one. They do look good, the M2s. I do like them a lot. Just cut this Jader open. Okay. Alright, enough of that one. Let's do this here, which is the Corvette from Jada Big Time Muscle Drag Series. It was Collector's Series 2009 Wave 17. That was the 63 Corvette Stingray funny car. Also has the oops. Oh, fiddly bits. There we go. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Good one for the Corvette collection. Yeah, I like that. Alright, the next one is this M2 69 Pontiac GTO, which I think I have it. But anyway, we'll get it open, get her out. Take that one off. There you go. It's nice pearl white, that one. So yeah, I got a feeling I got it. But it's alright. If I've already got it, I'll sort something else out with it. Alright, then the last ones is the lead sleds here. Been looking for these ones for quite a while. They've just always been out of the price range that I sort of wanted to spend on them. But yeah, I was lucky enough here to get these. Oh, come on. Alright. Just get that top off. Won't take them off the stand at the moment. We don't need that on, do I? Where are we? So there we go, check that out. They're looking pretty bloody good. Do like them. Yeah, like them a lot. The Merc. Merc and the, was it Caddy? Yeah, it's pretty sure it's Cadillac. Yeah, it's a 50 Merc. Cadillac, I think, probably the same sort of era. Correct me if I'm wrong. I know it'll be underneath the car what they are, but yeah, so that's. Actually, I'll leave that there. I'll just lift the camera up. So there we go. I think that's pretty good. Very nice. Awesome cars to have in the collection. Yeah. Now I just need to be able to move and get my storage and my cabinets done. But yeah, won't be moving until for at least another probably 4 months or so. I don't think I'm going to be right to move. Well, the house is right to move anyway. I've got to do some renos on the house first, then we can move into it. But that was all that was in that box that I got. Apart from those 2 monster trucks, which I'm pretty sure my friend has already got. But not to worry, I'll give them to the son. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed that video, and stay tuned for the next ones. Please like, comment and subscribe. See you all next time.